Let's make the sweetest bow. So your hair is tied right here. You got 3 sections, red, orange, and yellow. What you're gonna wanna do is split the hair above the hair tie, bring orange through. But we are not gonna bring it all the way through. We're going to keep a loop on top. Through that loop, you're gonna place your fingers. You're gonna bring red over to the other side. Place a finger through red so it doesn't move while you bring yellow to the other side. Bring yellow and red into your thumb while you pull on orange, creating your bow. Here's my orange loop. I'm going to put my fingers through it so I can bring red over to the other side. Hang on to red while I bring yellow over to the other side. Use my thumb to hang on to yellow and red while I pull on orange to create my bow. And there's a sweet bow.